Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Syairah binti Zakaria and today I will present module 5 which is Geostatistical Analysis and Map Layout. So, the objective for this module are: first, to understand geostatistical analysis on environmental information. Second, to perform several types of spatial interpolation. Third, to understand basic cartographic concept, legend and scale in producing map. And now, we will start with the method. From the ARC catalog, drag the daerah SHP to table of content. Then click ARC toolbox, click Conversion tool and click Excel to table to import Excel data format into ArcMap. It will be like this. Then right-click at Data Ground at Table Content to display the data into point. Choose the X and Y based on the coordinate of the data. For the X field, choose E. For the Y field, choose N. Then click OK. Right-click at the point data of data to export the data to shapefile format, then save the data at the project folder. The name will be changed to 1 July 2015 and then click Save. At the layers, the data ground will change the name. Next, we can start with our geostatistical analysis. Click Customize and then click Toolbars and click the Geostatistical Analysis. The Geostatistical Analysis toolbar is added to your ArcMap. Then create an interpolation and surface of PM10 using default Geostatistical Analysis. Click the Geostatistical Analysis and click Geostatistical Wizard. Then click Inverse Distance Weighting in the Method List box. To click the data field arrow and click the PM10 attribute. Click Next to the method properties and click Finish at Cross Validation. It will be like this. Right-click at Layers in Data Frame in the Table of Content and then click Properties. After that, click the Data Frame tab. For the specified extent, the layers must be in the daerah. For the Clip to Shape, the layer also need to be in daerah. After that, click OK. Then, right-click at IDW layer and click Properties. Then click Extend. Set the extent to the rectangular extent of that daerah. And then click OK. Then it will be like this. After obtaining this, drag 1 July 2015 until the top to make the points. And that's all for the method. And now let's go for practical highlight for this module. The first question is, you have tried several types of interpolation methods, screen capture the output and explain based on your observation the difference between all methods. So, the two methods are IDW and Kriging. So, IDW is inverse distance weighting. IDW it is a deterministic method. IDW uses interpolation method that shows the correlation of distance and weight toward the spatial data. Unknown value was estimated based on the neighboring values. Weight increased as the distance from measured points closer to the predict point. It cannot estimate above maximum or below minimum values. Next is Kriging, an advanced geostatistical method. Kriging used interpolation method that shows the correlation of distance, direction, and statistical data toward the spatial data. Unknown value was estimated based on the average point. The localized pattern were produced by the sample point that define the way. The second question is, summarize the use of geostatistical analysis used in this practical environmental study. As we all know, the geostatistical analysis was kriging, so geostatistical analysis are used in the kriging method. Kriging technique can be used to describe and model spatial patterns, predict value at unmeasured location, and assess the uncertainty associated with a predicted value at the unmeasured location. Study of landslide in 2012 used kriging to calculate the factor of safety and failure probability for the area of Kota Kinabalu, Sabah. It can also be used to estimate pollutant level in order to determine whether they pose a risk to the environment or human health, and if so, whether remediation is necessary. The third question is, determining the right map scale is crucial for creating maps. Discuss this statement. Yes, determining the right map scale definitely is crucial for creating map. But before that, what is map scale? A map scale represents the relationship between distance on the map and distance in the real world. Map scale are used to calculate the distance between 2 points. So, the map scale gives a general idea of how precise a measurement is, or conversely, how far from the reported value. In other words, if the wrong map scale was given, it will give the wrong distance and will cause problems, especially for travelers. And the last question is, compare between large scale map and small scale map. Give example. So take a look at this comparison. For the large scale map, it shows small area with more detail, while for the small scale map, it shows large area with little details. The scale for large image is 1 inch equal to 1 yard, while for the small map is 1 inch equal to 50 miles. The example for large image is map of village and agriculture field, while the example for small map is map of state and map of world. In conclusion, after doing this Module 5, we were able to understand geostatistical analysis on environmental information, able to perform several types of spatial interpolation, able to understand basic cartographic concept, legend, and skill in producing map. All things considered, all of the objectives were achieved. So that's all for Module 5, and thank you so much for watching.